is Adina and welcome to Just Peachy TV, the best place for curious millennial. So for today's video, it's all about boho mirrors. I'm so excited to share this tutorial with you today because this is one of those home decor DIY projects that I was so excited to make. I was inspired to make this DIY boho mirror to match the aesthetic of my room kasi nag-switch na ako slowly into bohemian decor. And what's good about this is that with just a few crafty supplies and a super affordable round mirror, you too can make a DIY boho mirror that would bring a touch of bohemian flair into your home. And I made a total of 5. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started. Okay, so let's start with mirror number 1. You will need a 6-inch craft mirror, some driftwood, hot glue, and hot glue gun. So I started by spreading the branches evenly along a quarter section of the edge, and konti lang yung driftwood ko, so hindi na-achieve yung pagdikit-dikitin sana, but it turned out so great pa rin naman. So itong driftwood na to, I got it from Shopee for 150 pesos lang. Medyo madami naman siya. It's enough for this 6-inch mirror. You can check the link sa description box, but it's better if you'll collect twigs or branches if meron kayong garden, yung mga halaman or puno nearby. And then, as you can see sa ginagawa ko, you just hot glue mo lang around the mirror. And this mirror brings a beam of sunshine and style to any room in your home. So I love how easy it is to make, plus mukha siyang mamahalin. So this is one of the easiest and quickest one to make. Okay, so for mirror number 2, you will need a 6-inch craft mirror, some jute string, wooden ring, hot glue and hot glue gun, some cardboards, and scissors. So first is to cut out a bigger round base for the mirror. Then I went in and glued the craft mirror in the center with the hot glue. And then doon ako nagsimula ng first layer of the string, so around the edge of the craft mirror. Etong string na to, I got it from Shopee, from Claymates. You can check the description box for the shop link. And then I just continued around the mirror this way. So syempre kailangan mo ng patience dito kasi ang nipis lang ng string, kasing nipis ko siya. But feel free to use other string or cord of your choice para mas mapadali. Siyempre kapag mas chunkier yung string, mas madali niyo siyang matatapos. And then after a while, I was able to finish it. And then I just attached the wooden rings. This one I got from Simple Sentiments on IG. And then, tada! Ayan na siya. It's very simple lang siya, but it goes well with the other mirror that I've made. I chose this string kahit naman nipis siya kasi I just love yung raw, yung pagka-raw nung string. So there! Okay, so for mirror number 3, you will need a craft round mirror. Ito, nabili ko lang from Hortaleza, pero sobrang common lang ng ganitong mirror. I think you can buy this almost anywhere, and sobrang affordable pa. I got mine for 35 to 45 pesos only, so kailangan mo lang alisin yung case and yung mga picture ng mga artista sa likod. And I used a hammer kasi medyo mahirap baklasin yung case, so just be very careful na lang para hindi ma-damage yung mirror mismo. So ayan, ganyan lang siya tanggalin. Mukhang pang mamahalin yung mirror, di ba? And then, you would also need a macrame cord or rattan rope. Ito, I got mine from Simple Sentiments on IG, a wooden ring, some scissors, and yarn. So first is, I tried a couple of lengths to determine what works best. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng sobrang haba because it would not retain its shape. And I measured and cut a length of 8-inch cord. So I went for the simple lark's head knot. So just take both ends and join them together. So folding the cord in half, and then push the folded loop behind the wooden ring, and then pull the ends up and through the loops, securing a lark's head knot. And then, itighten nyo lang siya. And then, yun, I just continued around the mirror this way. Now, the brown cotton macrame cord is from Simple Sentiments. I love that it gives off yung rattan vibe. Kasi diba meron yung 𝗪𝗥𝗘 rope na pwedeng gamitin. Pero it's matigas kasi yun. So, good thing I was able to buy this cord kasi ang ganda niya talaga. And the wooden ring is also from Simple Sentiments, so you can message them on IG if they are still selling this. But I will be including some Shopee shops sa description box if hindi na sila nagbebenta. There. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-favorite kong mirror kasi gusto ko talaga yung 𝗪𝗥𝗘 effect na nabibigay nitong cord. Sobrang love ko tong cord na to. I wish I bought more. But all in all, I enjoyed making this one kasi sobrang ganda, diba? It's a great wall art. Alright, so for mirror number 4, you will need a cardboard, round mirror, hot glue and hot glue gun, and some natural raffia fiber. So I made a base for this project to make sure that the raffia fiber will be spread evenly. And then, inattach ko lang yung mirror sa pinakagitna. And meron na ako nung pre-cut na 7-inch raffia fiber, so madali na lang siya. And it's super perfect for the size of the mirror. And the same with all the other mirrors, you just continue around the mirror this way. And for me kasi, etong raffia fiber, it's already in my stash. So, ito yung fillers ng isang gift sa akin. So, instead of throwing it out, I kept it. And ayun, nagamit ko siya for this mirror. But if you don't have this at home, you can purchase it online. I found mga shops. And please check it out on the description box. This is another of my favorites kasi I love yung pagka-natural ng raffia fiber. And it also looks inexpensive. Kahit na ang binili ko lang dito is yung pinaka-mirror itself. So, diba? Sobrang sulit. So, before you actually throw out yung mga binibigay sa inyo or yung mga gamit nyo, think of it, paano nyo ba siya ma-repurpose. So, ito yung isa sa favorite wall arts ko. Yes, so mirror number 5. So you will need a macrame cord or rattan rope, 6 and 8-inch wooden ring, the craft mirror, hot glue and hot glue gun, cardboard, scissors, and steel wire if you have. Ako kasi I didn't have any steel wire, so ang ginawa ko is pinagdikit ko na lang to using a cardboard. So we'll be needing 2 sizes of wooden rings as the mirror's frame. So unfortunately, dahil wala nga akong steel wire or yung alambre, eto na lang yung ginawa ko. So we'll be wrapping the cord around the wooden frame. Super easy. I just used hot glue to secure the cord in place. So itong wooden ring na to, just the same sa mga iba kong mirror, is from Simple Sentiments. But I've included a Shopee seller on the description box for na nagbebenta rin ng wooden rings. And then, once na na-complete mo na yung pagbalot ng buong wooden ring, you just have to attach the craft mirror. So, it's actually better if meron kayong bigger na mirror para hindi siya malalaglag or talagang masisecure niyo yung mirror. Kasi ito kasi, sobrang sakto siya dun sa inner cord, or I mean yung inner wooden ring. So, kailangan maging extra careful lang. But for this one, I really place a lot of glue para hindi talaga malaglag yung mirror. So there you have it. I love this mirror too kasi meron din siyang rattan vibe since I use the same rope. So it's very simple. I just really love it. So there you have it. So that's 5 easy and affordable boho decor. Let me know which one is your favorite. So thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please comment below, or you can reach me via IG or Facebook. And please like and subscribe to my channel because it really helps to support me. And I do upload videos once a week, every Sunday at 6 p.m. And for the first hour, I'm there responding to comments.